The ZANU-PF Provincial Executive Committee in Manicaland has resolved to co-opt Dr. Paul Tungwarara into the party's powerful Central Committee. A development analyst believes is part of a broader political repositioning as the ruling party prepares for the 2028 elections and President Emmerson Mnangagwa pushed to extend influence up to 2030. The decision was made during a closed provincial meeting where senior officials reportedly agreed that Tungwarara's inclusion would strengthen Manicaland's voice at a national level and support the party's strategic direction ahead of the crucial electoral cycle. The co-option will now be forwarded to the national leadership for formal endorsement. If approved, Dr. Tungwarara will join one of ZANU-PF's most influential organs. The Central Committee is responsible for shaping the party's policies, overseeing political programs and making key decisions when Congress is not in session, effectively acting as ZANU-PF's parliament. Political analysts say the move is far from a routine. In recent years, the ruling party has been accelerating internal restructuring, filling vacant posts and bringing in individuals seen as loyal to the party's current leadership. Many believe this is tied directly to efforts to secure President Mnangagwa's political roadmap beyond 2028, despite the constitutionally set term limit, with internal talk increasingly centered on Mnangagwa maintaining political influence until at least 2030. Co-options like Tungwarara's are seen as strategic placements that strengthen loyal provincial blocs while keeping factional tensions under control. Manicaland, one of the country's most politically influential provinces, has often been viewed as a swing region in ZANU-PF internal politics. Giving the province a fresh representative in the Central Committee could help consolidate a unity and increase the leadership's support base as succession debates resurface. For now, the development signals only one thing: the ruling party is entering a decisive phase, reshaping its leadership layer by layer, with an eye firmly on 2028 and ultimately on 2030. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.
Nasi tine mufaro wakanyanya kuti Manicaland yabvumawo kuti Central Committee. Ndakangode kutaura ndechekuti zvinhu zvese zvinoitwa naMwari ende zvinhu zvaMwari hazvimiziki. Ndakuzama kuzvimisa asi nekuti zvine zvakatarwa. Mwari atoona zuva ranhasi ndakatomirawo pano ndiri pamberi penyu maita zvataibva maita izvozvo. Ininiwo semunhu akawanirwa nyasha akanzi ndiye muchibva wapurezidendi anomhanya-mhanya uneempowerment, zvazvinongoreva kuti Manicaland yawanirwa nyasha zvekuti empowerment ichamira kuno zvakanyanya. Ndinokurudzira kuti ngative example yeprovince yakabatana. Kana tatigonedzana ina handidi kuti ndauya saadvisor ndikonzere mhirishonga pakati penyu.